Welcome back to Travancore Pistons, everyone. This time I'm coming with a user review of around 3 to 4 months with Boat Stone 1000, a Bluetooth speaker from the company Boat, and it's unboxing. So let's see what it is all about. See, I always wanted to buy a Bluetooth speaker, and especially when it comes to Bluetooth speaker, we all think about one particular name, that is JBL. And the specification which I really required, and when it comes to JBL, it costs around 10,000 rupees and more than 8,000 rupees to be exact. So then my research, went in some other way and came across this particular model, Boat Stone 1000. And there are particular reasons why I chose this model. The main reason is that this particular thing is waterproof and Bluetooth 2.1 10-meter connectivity, wireless connectivity, and it got 3000 mAh battery, so it can last, the company says, around 8 hours of playback time, but as per my experience it lasted around 3 to 4 hours, max 5 hours, but it really depends upon how much volume that we are using. So if we are playing it in around medium sound or so, it will last a long time, but if you are in full volume also, it will not last that much. It will last at least 1.5 to 2 hours if you are playing in the full volume. These are the accessories which I got along with the product. One USB cable, not the C type, the other one, the normal one, and one aux cable, 3.5 mm jack. There is this manual as well as one warranty card is also there. 1 year warranty is what they are providing us. Then there is microphone option also. There is a mic also along with the device, so you take the calls when you are connected with your phone, you can talk directly, and that's a very good option, and it looks solid also. There are so many other colors also, but I'm a fan of black, so black it is. Black looks cool, man. If you ask me, one of the best thing I like about this particular speaker is the way it is designed. The design, as I said before, looks rock solid. The plastic they are using and the material they are using, the plastic, it is hard plastic, man. Hard plastic means, the one we see in the dashboard of the cars, that kind of plastic. It's so hard. At the top of the speaker you can see that particular handle, that rubber handle. It's got good grip, and the way it is connected to the speaker is really good. It is so hard, and it will not break, actually, to be frank. I just tried to pull it out, but it stays really strong. And this particular model is waterproof, as I said before. IPX rating is there, and you can see the connectivity option over there. That's where we connect the aux cable and how we charge the device. And there are so many vents outside, but that doesn't matter. The water will not go inside, as per company, as per their manual. Those are the switches in the left side corner for pause, play, next, mode, Bluetooth search, etc. Two speakers are there, as I said, 14 watt, very good speaker, very good quality speakers are there. And I try to increase the volume to the max most of the time, and I see no glitches or no slutter, nothing. The sound is absolutely crisp. It mainly depends upon the quality of the song which you are playing. And there you can see the mic. So in between, if you get a call, you can answer it directly with this device. And the badging, the branding, the board branding is also really good. The quality looks exactly good. I feel like, when I'm using it and taking it out as outdoors, I feel like I'm using some kind of military grade material, man. I mean, this particular thing looks so rock solid and so hard, and it got enough weight also. Not that bulky, but enough weight. Its size is also good. The dimensions is perfect. It looks like a dumbbell, actually. So this is where you connect your the aux cable, as well as you charge the device. I really wish it had a pen drive slot also, but that's not available. I think you can use a different cable and connect it. It might work. I didn't check it, actually. And the particular the covering for that charging port and everything is also really good. It's so hard to take it out, actually, and it's really hard to fix it back, and that really means how they are trying their level best to make it waterproof. Overall, the build quality is really good. Those straps are really nice. I told you before, it looks military grade, man. It looks military grade. Okay, the $1,000,000 question. Will Boardstone 1000 survive the Kerala monsoons? The company says it is splash proof and shower proof. So let's see. Let's see how it survives. Seems good. No change in sound. Everything works fine. No wonder why the company has given that rubber covering for the switches in the left side for that pause, play, next, all these kinds of buttons. And I'm a kind of guy who is not a fan of all the LED lights, the the LCD displays and everything. So this particular model doesn't have any of those, and so the waterproofing works really fine. And that looks cool too. So those vents, the water inside that vent, it moves as per the beats. Since Boardstone 1000 passed the shower test, let's do one more test, a hardcore test. Let's dip her and see whether it is going to work or not. Water submerged test, complete waterproof test. Let's see. First time I am doing this. Wow, interesting. So you can take it for boating also. So even if it falls down from your hand in a lake or so, it will not get submerged. It will float. Okay, it knows how to swim. Everything works fine. The sound is good. No water inside. Awesome. The first time I am doing this test with Boardstone 1000 and it works awesome. So guys, I recommend this particular product. For this particular amount, it is awesome. Does the job perfectly. You are a kind of adventure guy or outdoor guy, this is the one. You can take it, throw it around, throw it to pool. Everything works. Both you did a good job. Guys, see you in next video. Thank you. Do support.